Hi friends, today I am going to discuss coordinate geometry. Which is going to help you in class 9th and 10th. Now, what is coordinate geometry? For understanding the coordinate geometry, we have to know the number line. What is number line? Number line is a straight line in one-dimensional plane in which 0 is located in between, and from 0 to right side it is located positive numbers, and 0 to left side negative number. On number line, real number, fraction number, positive number, negative number, etc. can be located. Now, I am going to tell you how to locate a particular point on a number line. Suppose you take 4. You have to locate 4 on number line. What you have to do? You know 4 is a positive number. What will be the location? First idea comes that it will be located right side of 0. Draw a straight line. 0, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know 4 comes between 3 and 5. Now it is here. Now this number is located, A is a 4. In same way, we can locate number 2.5. How will you locate 2.5? You know 2.5 is positive number, so it's come right side of the 0. Now second idea is 2.5 comes between 2 and 3. Now suppose this is 0.2 and this is 3. Divide the 2 and 3 between 10 points, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so on. Now 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the actual point, 2 and 0.5, 2.5. I think you learn how to locate number on number line. In same direction, if you told the locate a point on a plain paper, suppose this is a plain paper, or this is the point A. Now you locate point A on paper. How you say that this point A is located on paper at what position? What will be the location? You know you have to give some solid point by which listener can understand the location of A. If you say point A is left side of the paper, can you locate it properly? No, left side means it can be here, 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 anywhere. If you see right side of the paper, it can be here, but you can't get exact location. For exact location, if you say that this point A is 3 units from left side of the paper, it means it can be located 3 units from left side. but now it is not very clear that where on this line. So for that you must say exact point from up and from down. If you locate this point A at exact location, you have to tell two exact way, one from left side, one from down, one from right side or up side. So when you say this point is 3 unit or 4 unit from left, it means here, and 6 or 5 unit from down, it will come here. So then this point is located very clearly, and you can say this point is 4 and 6. This is the location of a point on a coordinate geometry. Now we have to discuss coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. For this, we have to understand the Cartesian system. To understand the Cartesian system, we have take two number line. One is x1, and one is y1. If we place two number lines perpendicular to each other on a plane, means one line this and this one, second line is this. If we place two lines x1, y1 perpendicular to each other on a plane and combine both the lines in such a way that two lines cross each other at 0, means perpendicular है x1 y1 and इसके जीरो आपस में क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, सेंटर में है, then this plane is known as coordinate plane और कार्टेशियन प्लेन. इस प्लेन को आप क्या बोल सकते हो? कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन बोल सकते हो या कार्टेशियन प्लेन बोल सकते हो. Now this number line x1 is known as abscissa. Now this x1 is known as x-axis and y1 is known as y, and this point or midpoint is known as origin. Now in this Cartesian plan, when we are going to locate any point, we have to keep in mind few more points. This area is known as first quadrant. This area is known as second quadrant, and this area is known as third quadrant, and this region area is known as fourth quadrant. For Cartesian plan, some Cartesian signs are used, which is very much important to understand and solve and locate the position. First quadrant is sign is plus plus. Second, minus plus. Third, minus minus. Fourth, plus minus. Now, when we are going to locate any point, you can say 4. We have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. For this point A, we have two coordinates. You can say 4 and 4. These 4 x-axis, this number will be measured on x-axis, and this is measured on y-axis. Or this x-axis coordinate is known as abscissa. X-axis coordinate known as abscissa, and y-axis coordinate known as ordinate. Ordinate means this is 4, this is abscissa, and the second 4 is known as ordinate. This is measured on x-axis 1, 2, 3 and 4, and ordinate is measured on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can draw a perpendicular from this both points. On this point, location can be denoted by 4, 4. Plotting the location of point on a Cartesian plane. I will give you some example, and you pause the video and try yourself how can plot this point on Cartesian plane. Suppose point 1, 2, B, point 4, 5, C, minus 2, minus 3. Now pause the video. Now you see first point A, which abscissa is 1 and ordinate is 2. It means on x-axis 1 unit here, and on y-axis ordinate is 2. It's mutual perpendicular from here and here. This is the point you mark here 1, 1 and 2. You can check your answer also. Now point B, 4 and 5. 4 on x-axis 4 unit and 5 on y-axis, means 4 is abscissa and 5 is ordinate. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and ordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's mutual perpendicular here and here. It may come on this point B, 4, 5. You can check your second question also. Now see minus 2, minus 3. In this you see this is the minus. Both abscissa and ordinate are in minus sign. So in which quadrant it will be located? On third quadrant, because you know this is the rule. I have already teach you. And so minus abscissa and coordinate both are minus. It will come on third quadrant. Minus 2 on x-axis, 1, 2, minus 2 this point, and minus 3, 1, 2, 3 this point. It's mutual perpendicular, it meets here. It means C is the location, and minus 2, minus 3. I think you better understand how to locate or plot any point on Cartesian plane.